The mind is the builder, unlocking reality through the Hermetic lens. What if I told you that the universe around you isn't just something you live in, but something you help create? With every thought you think, that isn't science fiction. It's a forgotten truth echoed through the halls of ancient wisdom and echoed again through the equations of quantum physics. This is the first Hermetic principle, the all is mind. Let's unravel what that really means. 1. The principle in plain sight. Everything begins with mind. Not your personal thoughts, but a universal field of intelligence that underlies matter, energy, time, and space. Modern science calls it the quantum field. Ancient sages called it the divine mind. From subatomic particles blinking in and out of existence to galaxies swirling across the fabric of space-time. All of it, the Hermetist said, is thought projected into form. In this view, the material world is not primary. It's a shadow, a reflection of something deeper. 2. The science behind the mystery. Consider this. A photon light itself behaves like a wave of possibilities until you look at it. Then it decides to become a particle. This is the essence of the observer effect, proven in quantum experiments again and again. The act of attention alters the outcome. Could it be that consciousness is not an accident of matter, but the source from which matter emerges? We are not outside the system, we are part of the equation. 3. The power of attention. Your attention is the creative force of your life. Whatever you focus on, you amplify. And in a world flooded with distractions, that power is being siphoned. Every swipe, every scroll, every ping, each one hijacks the lens through which you shape reality. The Hermetic masters knew, where your mind goes, energy flows. And where energy flows, life takes form. 4. Reclaiming the creative mind. To master your world, you must first master your mind. Meditation isn't just stillness, it's recalibration. It's a return to the 0 point, where inner silence meets cosmic potential. In this stillness, the subconscious rises, revealing the patterns that shape your outer world without you realizing. And here lies your power. To not just observe reality, but to consciously participate in it. 5. The closing thought. As Hermes Trismegistus wrote, as within, so without. As above, so below. These are not just poetic lines. They are the blueprint of reality. You are not a passive being trapped in a mechanical universe. You are a conscious node in a living system capable of shaping it from the inside out. The mind is not a mirror, it is a projector. And the story it casts is the one you choose to tell. So the next time you catch your thoughts drifting, ask yourself, what world am I building with my mind? Because whether you realize it or not, you're always creating. Thank you for watching. If you found resonance in this message, consider subscribing. We're just getting started.